Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, it's kind of different. It's to kind of be on the lookout for certain items. And this is our couponing bread and butter, the Charmin, Gain, Dawn dish soap. And if you could not find anything at Home Depot, this might be your opportunity to go to Lowe's because a lot of the items that got cleared out at Home Depot are starting to inch towards clearance over at Lowe's. I really recommend that you download the Lowe's app. Very easy to do. You go to the App Store, type in Lowe's, and just follow the prompts and create an account. Now, if you go to the bottom right-hand corner, see where account is highlighted, and if you press that, there is member events, and they have been doing these member events like once a month, and it's usually towards the beginning of the month just to get you in the store, and it's usually on a Saturday. And basically what it is the store offers one free item. So if you are motivated by free stuff, definitely click on this members event, and I think the next one they're offering a free flower. And this next giveaway is limited to the first 150 members, but it's a free spring flower, and it's on May the 9th. So if you're driving by this weekend, by all means, go and look in the detergent cleaning aisle. But if you're only motivated by free stuff on the 9th, go and see what they might have. And a lot of this stuff isn't moving because it's not a great price yet. So this Dawn dish soap that was $12 and some change, $11.67. I checked this morning. It's still there. It hasn't budged an inch. So, I mean, it is what it is. And you can look this up in the app or you can look it up on the website. You pick. But I'm just going to show you what I was specifically finding. And this is going to be a cat and mouse game. I do not know when it's going to go bigger clearance. So just if you keep an eye on it and babysit, obviously that's the best way to do it. And don't be shy to look up in the sky shelves, ask employees for help, especially if you see that there's a ton of one item specifically in stock in your area and say it clears out to 70, it might be up there. And just like Home Depot, they have the top stock where there's a lot of detergent and all that good stuff. So I'm not going to bingo call every single item because that would be very monotonous, but I'm just going to show you like some of the items that I was finding, and you can definitely look this up in the app. Of course, I'm not going to show you UPCs because all this stuff I think you can pretty much just see. This isn't Dollar General where you scan the UPC off of the app, but just to show you visually like what things look like. This is only $3 off for the Charmin. Again, that's not 50% off or even close to what we want. I know the Dawn dish soap was one item that everybody was like, oh, I need to find it. And the Platinum that cleared out at Home Depot, it looks very similar here. There's an Apple one too. And I think that Apple one is like, they call it a hand soap or something stupid. Arm & Hammer for $10.47 from $13.97, and Gain at $11.67, and I think it was close to $18. You decide if this is a stock up price for you. I would like to see it like in the single digits, like $6 each. Yeah, because those were the prices we were seeing at Home Depot. A lot of this air care 50% off, $4.24 for that Lysol and $3.92 for those double packs of the Unstoppables. Still a bit too much for this girl, so I'd like to see it drop a lot more. And a lot of this stuff still remaining in store because the average shopper with cost of gas and cost of food is not buying clearance packs of the Febreze Ocean for $3.92. It's still far too much. So I think a lot of this stuff will be sticking around probably when it hits 75. And again, the dates for that I don't know, and I can't read it off the tag. This is 50% off for these Mrs. Meyer's candles in lavender and peony, always a very posh looking candle. And again, more air care at 50% off. So I mean, if you're near a Lowe's this weekend and you want to see what's on clearance at your store, it's these yellow tags. You should look for them and just maybe follow some of the items I'm showing you on the website. And I know a lot of people that live on the West Coast specifically, you really can't do the same Home Depot, but maybe Lowe's is different. $7.57 for this Mr. Clean Freak. That's so expensive. And the Murphys for $4.67, and Fabuloso, like they're taking like 50 cents or $1 off. Don't even print the stickers for that price, guys. Lots of magic erasers as well. I noticed that also at Home Depot. A lot of the magic erasers, they're starting to clear them out. Maybe they're changing the ingredients around. Don't know. But lots of them, specifically this product. Even with the Dollar General clearance event and the next one that we're going to have in May, there's lots of magic erasers that are going to be part of it. Zep for $5.77 and 50% off of that Poop Safe pet odor eliminator. I might have to grab one of those. I have one little one making some messes lately, just getting older. And the Bona as well for $3.84 from $10.94. So that is $70. I'm not sure if they're going to just pull them all or if they're going to put those right to $90, but Lowe's is a weird store. Sometimes they go $90 and sometimes it ends at $75. I know they did that last Christmas. And then lots of the dishwasher tab, again, for $2 off. These are not the most like, oh my God, run to the store, start the car. It's still a bit too much. But when these drop to 70, that'll be a different story, or possibly 90. We'll have to wait and see. I'll definitely keep an eye on this, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. But do your homework and get prepared for this one.